is a manufacturer of high-quality, robust, pre-engineered metal buildings.
We are the expert when it comes to buildings and all the areas, regulations, and nuances that come with a building.
Trachte has deployed thousands of buildings around the world for some of the largest utility companies in our nation. Our prefabricated steel buildings are designed to house mission-critical and high-value equipment anywhere in the world.
A nice thing that Trachte offers our customers is the fact that we have two facilities. At both sites, we have the ability to be able to be vertically integrated. We have fabrication, welding, building assembly, and we're able to store buildings for our customers. Instead of building a building that can take months and months on site, Trachte can deliver a building so that it shows up the day they need it.
Our project management, engineering, and sales team are critical to helping our customers achieve their goals. The Trachte team spends an enormous amount of time working with our customers to help develop the solution for their project.
We have a culture of quality that's baked into the fabric of our organization. And no one is better at being able to handle the challenges or changes that a customer needs to make and still stay on track.
Trachte does not provide just a metal building. We provide a commitment. Our customers have an enormous amount of trust and faith that they can bring us a challenge, and we will go to the drawing board. Our team will create solutions, present options, and be able to deliver a rapid and high-quality solution to meet their specific needs.